Morning, YouTube. About 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna come out here and do another cold start on the Firebird. Got to keep it running and stuff like that. We're starting to get cold weather, so this battery in this car doesn't like cold weather, so I like to keep it started. So we're gonna do a cold start. The windshield is pretty. The frost rate has frost on the windshield a little bit, so I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna go and get this started. Oh man, it's pretty chilly out here. Let's see. Wow. Thought I was gonna fire it up for a second. Yeah, it's wicked cold-blooded. Come on, baby. There we go. She ain't liking this cold weather, man. Oh, stalled again. There we go. We're gonna let her on idle for a few. Sorry for that. But it's pretty cold outside. Feels like it's probably about 32 degrees, 31 degrees, something like that. But look at the sky. We're supposed to get some snow, I guess, later on today into tonight. But it's that time of the year. The Farmer's Almanac, I guess, says that we're supposed to get quite a bit of snow this year, so yay for me. I get to shovel once again. Leave this running for a little bit. It's almost time to put this thing up, put it on the cover. It's supposed to have been gone, but I don't know what's gonna be. What my father's gonna do. He's supposed to went to his house, but I don't know. If not, I'll just probably park it out back, block it up. Here's a inside view of it. Seats are really, really good shape. What's awesome about this car here, YouTube, this car has been put up for most of its life. The people that my dad got it off from bought it brand new and never run it. So, but that's going to be the end of the video, YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to leave any comments. Have a great day.